Hey y'all, this is Chris, and we're about to get serious up in here. We got Dylan from Dylan Talks Tone with his RC car Axle. And we got Matt Flaherty from Texas Toast Guitars with his belt sander, Mighty Little. Okay, so we need to pick lanes. Since you drove the furthest, you get to call the pick.
Dylan.
You win.
I want the near lane nearest to me.
Let's race.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Go!
Yeah!
This is a no prep track.
I'm prepping your track, dude.
Well, we could switch lanes, and then I'm guaranteed to crash into something.
Yeah, you
Oh,
won't
that's
crash
true.
into Dylan.
I don't care if you crash into me.
Well, let's switch lanes.
All right.
But what if, okay.
What if?
I didn't even sweep. I was gonna sweep, but I just felt like that was too much prep.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's go!
We got enough cameras?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Do we have enough?
That's the slow mo.
Traffic.
Just look the other
That's
way.
how it should start off.
Oh shit! Here comes someone quick.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Go! Oh!
Oh dang, dude! That's awesome.
What happened? It smells. He's gonna need new slicks pretty soon.
paper there. Yeah, I might need to switch belts for the next race.
Nope. It's not gonna get staged.
Not
Mighty
ready.
Little comes off the line
Hang
fast
on.
on the street. Well, I didn't know you were doing a burnout.
You ready?
Ready.
Go!
New flagger.
Okay, we need a flagger.
So when you flip it all out.
Get them
Woo!
Put
your sunglasses on.
Because the traffic investigate. Oh yeah! Woo!
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Ready. Go! Well,
I think I fried the transmission and motor on mine.
yeah, mine's just fine. I think what the bad thing is for all the YouTubers who think that one was gonna win versus the other.
Yeah, it depends on the race.
It's the surface.
Yeah, it's not. It's you're racing the surface.
Your surface
racing
has
yourself.
to have less grit than your sandpaper.
Yeah, I think if I had a 36 grit or 20 grit belt, I
Yeah.
would probably veer way off
Mine-
this one side or the other.
Mine came all down to the burnout.
Yeah, the burnout.
That's what it was.
I was hoping we'd have another crash,
Yeah.
but no.
Not me, because my stuff's not broke.
Not me. My stuff's not broke. It just needs a new belt.
Until next time, hopefully this was good enough for all y'all who are wondering how good it was going to be.
Yeah, you turds.
This is going to end up being a separate video.
This is gonna be yeah.
And actually, I'm going to probably, we'll figure it out. Mine's fine. I have no problems.
mine's fine. I just need new wheels. That's all. That's okay.
Next time, I'm bringing something faster.
Shit. Shit. Not me.
I think Evil Knievel will kick both your butts. Hey y'all, this is Chris. And we about to get serious in here. We got Dylan from Dylan Talks Tone with his Aussie car, Axel. We got Matt from Texas Toast Guitars with his I was so close. I was like, it's Big Jim Grizzly. No, it's not. Son of a bitch. What is it? Big Grim Jizzle?